welcome to the BC Boutiques channel. This is Javi here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple necklace. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this tassel here at the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to wire wrap and make a clasp. And you can use this stamping right here that we have on the website, and this stamping. And I use flower beads and 6mm amethyst beads, and I use 4mm and 6mm jump rings and chain. So I'm going to give you guys the measurements for that. But first, I'm going to wrap one of these for you. Just simple, quickly. And I used a head pin. And I'm just going to cut the end of that off. And I'm just going to just quickly wrap this, you know. Like you guys know what you're doing. Just a simple, you know, wrap at the end here. Just a little loop, I mean, not a wrap. Sorry if that's blurry there. And then I'm just going to put the flower beads one way. And if my bead didn't roll off the table, I found it. And this one, and put another flower bead. Whoops, bye-bye. I got it. And then I'm just going to go the opposite way of how I did the other one. So I'm just going to do that really just like that. And be careful not to chip the flower beads. They are glass. That's a little tough one there. So I just did something like that. I'm going to bend this a little forward before cutting, without nipping anything else. That's good. And I'm just going to squish it up here. Just bend it forward. Not too much. And this one as well. There we go. Then we got one complete one right there. And I'm going to add that. And, of course, you guys can definitely use this stamping. It's very gorgeous. And this is, to me, is my favorite. Both of them are my favorite. So, let's see. The measurements for the chain here. I'm just gonna, for the top area of this, I cut pieces of chain here. It's 4 inches long. So I'm gonna do that, put that right there. And I'll tell you the Festoon part. Oh, which way did I do this here? Oh, it's downwards. There you go. Just gonna hook that up there for you guys. Yeah, I think I did that the right way. If not, I'll fix it later. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that there. Connect the chain. That was 4 inches of chain. I'm just going to close that. So that's what it would look like. You don't need to do the Festoon style, but I kind of wanted to try something different. So, and then this was, if I didn't tell you already, I think this was 3 inches. 3 inches for the Festoon here. And of course, this was about like 2.5 inches for all these bead connectors. And I did use a 6mm jump ring right here because a 4mm just wouldn't fit. So that's what I did there. I'm going to just push these back a little. I'm going to connect the Festoon. Oh, I have a jump ring that's open already. That helps me. And I did connect it to this jump ring right here. I'm just going to grab that here and just close it really quickly. There we go. This is a great stamping to use. Very beautiful too. Okay, there we go. Sorry. I was like, it looks a little confusing to me. What happened? I'm just going to connect the other side now. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the BC Boutiques channel, because there's going to be plenty of videos. BC is packing up all those class Muse packages that she's doing. It's not a Muse. Well, it's a Muse. It's for the class. So if you guys want to join us for the class for next Friday, I think it was the 28th of January, you still can. Okay, what else was I going to show you guys? Oh, I'm going to show you guys how to make because we kind of ran out of clasps on the website for antique brass. Or, well, there is one, but it's just a little too big for this style. So I'm going to just show you one just with using 20 gauge wire. Whatever matches to the brass ox. I think vintage bronze did really good on that. I'm just going to do like a little loop at the bottom. Right there. And then I'm just going to hold to here and make like a little loopy like that. I'm going to shrink it down a little. There we go. Just like that. Oops, sorry guys. This thing just focuses on everything else except for what I'm doing. There we go. How about that? Okay. So I made a little loopy like that. And then if you have a pen or a pencil, I just use the other end. Or you could use your bail making pliers. I'm just going to do something like that. Got a little oval there. I'm just going to bend it down a little. And then I'm just going to bend that a little more. Sorry, just didn't like the style there. And then I'm just going to do a little loop at the end. Sorry, I'm out of frame. A little loop at the end like that. And then I'm just going to cut the excess wire here. And then just close that down. I have to use my chain nose pliers here. Just flattened it. Then you have your little personal own little clasp with the same color. Easier to match. Just trying to make sure that's all correct. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You know how I am. And I'm just going to put that at the end over here. My jump ring. You can always flatten that with a hammer too, if you want. Just gonna connect that there. Just using one jump ring. So that's all I'm gonna use there. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys how I did this, because this was more complicated. I'm gonna show you how it looks, you know, laying here, just like that. So what I did is used one, better to show you from behind, one long piece from behind, and I did the 6mm jump ring on top and a 4-1 just to drop it a little. So I hanged 2 flower beads. Let's see if I can hold this without dropping it. 2 flower beads right there with 2 jump rings. You see? 1, 2, 1, 2. Over here, 2 flower beads. Then the rest are connected to this long jump rings here, and I'll count them for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jump rings on this, and I added one in the front here after the 6mm jump ring, and then after that I went by 2s. So by 2s, and then I put these on one jump ring right here, and then I dropped it again and put one at the end. So this is really simple. This was a little bit more complicated, but you know, I did just do, I think I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 right there. And then if you want, you can always take a screenshot on your phone or on the computer or something and take a screenshot of this in the back. See if I can get that on frame for you guys. Yeah, I kind of need like a paper or something. Screenshot of that. So that's what I did, and that's the finished result, guys. Hope you guys liked it. The Festoon thing is just getting on there. Here we go. Let me just lay it flat on here. And I'll put all the product links in the description below. So you guys can make your own little necklace here. And using different flower beads, of course, if you like another color, anything. And you can always use this stamping instead. I'm going to just put all the products below in the description. So I hope you guys liked the video. It was a simple, easy project to do. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Like the video if you do. Subscribe to the BC Boutiques channel for more fun stuff like this. You know, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make something awesome pretty soon of using glass cabs. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.